Hello students, this is Sagarika Mohanty. Welcome to economics classes. In previous classes, we discussed about the topic related to law of demand. And in these classes, we will discuss about the new topic. This is exception to the law of demand. As we know that in law of demand, the demand curve slope downward. But here there is some exceptions where the demand curve not sloping downward. So let's discuss this topic. So the first exception of law of demand is given goods, and given goods are the basically special kind of inferior goods, and we know the inferior goods are basically low quality goods. So these are the special kind of inferior goods on which consumer spends a large part of his income, and their demand rises with an increase in the price and demand falls with a decrease in the price. So basically here what happened in the given goods, if the price rises, then demand of given goods will be also increases, and if the price of given goods will be decreased, then demand of given goods also decrease. So we can say that here the price and quantity demand of the given goods are going in a positive direction, or we can say that the demand curve should be in an upward movement. As we study of the exceptions of the law of demand, and we know the law of demand, the demand curve slope downward, but in this case the demand curve will slope upward movement. So this is related to the given goods, and the example of given goods is if the given goods like the coarse grains like jowar and bajra. If the price of these goods will be increases, then people will more demand on this product. If the price will decreases, then people will decrease in this product. The demand of the product will be decreased, because at the time the people will shift over the superior product, superior coarse grain such as your wheat or rice. They use more wheat or rice instead of the jowar and bajra. So basically this is the given goods, and this is also known as given paradox. And this is given by the Sir Robert Giffen. The next exception of law of demand is status symbol goods or goods of ostentation. So basically these goods are related to the prestige goods. These goods are basically used by the rich people, and the higher in the price, the demand will be higher in this case of your prestige goods, because here the goods are basically used by the rich people, and rich people will be pay more. If the price will be more, that means the demand of such product also more. So example of these goods are diamond or any antique piece of painting. So the demand of diamond or any antique piece of painting, if the price will be more, then demand of such product also more. So there is the demand curve slope upward. That means if the price will be more, the quantity demand of such commodity also more. Next is fear of shortage of goods. If the consumer expect that shortage of the particular commodity in near future, then they would starting buy more and more that commodity in the current period, even if the price are rising. So example is war, famine, cyclone, etc. So during these situations, the consumer will buy more commodity even if the prices are rising, because they expect that there is a shortage of particular commodity in the near future. Next exception is ignorance. Consumer may buy more of a commodity at a higher price when they are ignorant of the prevailing price of the commodity in the market. So it is a small example related to this point. This is a local market and this is a distance market. And this is a bread. And the bread price of local market is suppose rupees 15. And the same company's bread and this will be selling in the distance market is rupees 10. And the consumer is also known about this. In the local market the bread price is more, but they go to the local market and buy this bread even if they know that the price is more. So that means in this case here the price is more and the demand also of this bread is also more. So due to the ignorance of the consumer, the price will be, even if the price will be more, the demand of such product also be increased. And due to this the reason is the ignorance of the consumer. The next is fashion related goods. So as we can say that their demand increases, even the rise in their prices. So basically when we can say that those products which are in more fashion, that means the demand of such product will be more even if the price will be more. This necessity of life. Necessity of life related to example is medicines, salt, etc. So here is, this is also one of the exception of the law of demand, where if the price increases, the demand will be constant. Next is change in the weather. As per the weather, demand also increases. Like in the rainy season, the demand of raincoat will be increased. If the raincoat price will be more, then the demand of such raincoat will be more. So in this case, there is a exceptions of the law of demand, where if the price increases, then demand will be also increases or constant. So in the earlier point, we noticed that the law of demand is when the price is increased, the demand will be decreased, and vice versa, other thing remaining constant. And the diagram will be like this. This is a y-axis, this is a x-axis. Y-axis shown the price of the commodity and x-axis show the quantity demand of the commodity. So when the price increases, then demand of such product will be decreased. The diagram will be like this. And this is the demand curve D and D1, which is in a downward slope. Or we can say that there is a inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded of the commodity. But here in the exceptions of the law of demand, there is some exceptions where the price increases, then demand of such product also increases or constant. So the diagram will be like this in case of the exceptions of the law of demand. This is the y-axis and x-axis. This shows the price and this shows the quantity demanded. So here, if price increases, then quantity demanded also increases. If price increases, then quantity of such product also increases. And the diagram will be like this. And the curve is D and D1. This is the demand curve. And this is a upward movement. This is a downward movement and this is a upward movement of demand curve. Like your ignorance case, or in expectations of the near future the price will be increases, or in the given goods, or in the buying of some prestige goods, etc. But so this is a diagram related to when the demand will go on constant movement. So this is quantity demand and this is price, and we take the example, the demand of the product will be in constant movement in the necessity goods. So the necessity goods is one type of pure, example is salt. So when the price is this much, then consumer consume this much amount of salt. When the price increases, then consumer consume this much quantity. If the price decreases, then consumer also consume this much quantities. That means there is not any changes when the price will be increased or when the price will be decreased. So the movement is related to the vertical type curve. So this is a vertical type of demand curve in case of your necessity goods. So this is related to the exceptions of law of demand, where the demand curve slope positive movement, or we can say that the demand is a upward movement or the constant movement. So this is all about our today's lesson. Hope you guys understand this. Thank you.